Section 4.4 Interactive Assignment Objective 1. We're going to consider the data set given in this table here, and we're going to construct a relative frequency marginal distribution. Okay, so here's our table. We have our row y1, y2, there's our rows, and then our columns go from x1, x2, and x3. So I've created this table here. Okay, now when we want to find the relative marginal distribution, we first need to find the total of all the values in our table. So we need to add up 30 plus 15 plus 30 plus 30 plus 15 plus 50. So when we add that, the table total is going to be the following: 30 plus 15 plus 30 plus 30 plus 15 plus 50 is going to give us a total of 170. Okay, so when we want to find the relative marginal distribution, for the first column, we're going to take 30 plus 30, and then we're going to divide it by the table total. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So we get 30 plus 30. We're going to divide it by the table total. So when we add them together, we end up getting 60 divided by 170, which gives us a decimal of 0.3529. Okay, next, the next column, we're going to take the 15 and 15, so we're going to add 15 plus 15. Okay, so we get 15 plus 15, which gives us 30, and we're dividing it by the total of 170 to give us a decimal of 0.1764. And then the last column, we're going to take 30 plus 50, which gives us 80, and divide it by the table total of 170 to give us 0.4705. Okay, and now we're going to add up the rows. So we're going to find the row for y1, and so we're going to take the following values: 30 plus 15 plus 30. So we're going to take 30 plus 15 plus 30, which gives us 75, and again we're going to divide it by the table total, which gives us 0.411. And then likewise, we're going to take the row of 30, 15, and 50. We're going to add those together to get 95. And again, we're dividing it by the table total of 170 to give us 0.5588. Now, when we add these together, we should get the following. So let's add the two columns together here. So we're going to add 0.4411 plus 0.5588. And that gives us approximately 1. So we should have 1 there. And then likewise, we're going to add the totals in that bottom row just to verify what we get. So we're going to get 0.3529 plus 0.1764 plus 0.4705, and that gives us a value when we round it to 1 as well. Okay, now the next thing we want to do is we're going to enter this information into our table. Now if you notice here in the table, they're asking us to round our values to 3 decimal places as needed. So when we round our values to 3 decimal places as needed, okay, this is going to equal 0.353, and this is going to be approximated to 0.176, and this is going to be approximated to 0.471. And over here, when we approximate this, we get 0.441, and then we're going to approximate this to be 0.559. And then if we take a look at our results, 0.559, 0.441, 0.471, 0.176, and 0.353.